Today I'm going to show you how to complete the Arcade or GDLAN server 50 times ticket usage mission. First, go ahead and tap change server, then select GDLAN server. As you can see, I already have an account here, so I proceed directly for my class. I choose the Sword Maiden. Now let's jump into the Arcade Shore. Once you're in, head over to your mail and claim all the rewards, especially the summon ticket. As you can see, we receive a lot more than enough, so complete the mission and make a save using all of them. Now let's start summoning. I add some background music here since this might take a while.
Nice.
After we finish, complete the mission in Crosswave. First, open your browser. I'll be using Chrome. Search for Crosswave, then log into your account. After that, go to the mission section and look for Arcade or GDLAN server 50 times summon ticket usage. We'll place the link here once the video has been successfully uploaded to YouTube. Then let's look the Arcade where to copy the hashtag. Open the YouTube app and select the upload option. Then look for the video. You can create your own caption and then paste the link you copied earlier into the description. That's all guys, thank you.